Welcome to Spectrum Mobile. You're just a few steps away from enjoying our mobile service on your new device. You'll find the activation process easier if you get a few things in order before beginning. Here's what you'll need: your new and old device, the Spectrum Mobile SIM card included with your new device, your account address, account number, and account PIN from your prior carrier if you're transferring your phone number, and the customer name on the prior account if you're transferring a landline phone number. If you're transferring from Verizon postpaid service, you'll need to request a number transfer PIN from them. This will be different from the Verizon account PIN mentioned earlier. You'll also need a separate computer or device with an internet connection for online activation steps and the primary username for your Spectrum account. If you haven't created a Spectrum identity yet, go to spectrum.net and click Create a Username. For this, you'll need your Spectrum Internet account number along with the account security code found on your bill or the email address or phone number associated with your account. Please know that at any time throughout the activation process, additional information and device support is available at spectrummobile.com/welcome. Now let's get started. First, back up the data on your old device so you can transfer it to your new one later. Ensure your new device is powered off. Insert the Spectrum Mobile SIM card. Certain brands like Samsung and LG come with Spectrum Mobile SIM cards pre-installed, so you may not have a separate SIM card in your package. For multiple devices, you'll want to refer to your packing slip to match each SIM card with the correct device. To insert the SIM card, locate the SIM card tray. You'll find it either on the top or side of your phone. Carefully insert the provided SIM ejector tool or a paper clip and push it into the hole to remove the tray. Place the SIM card in the tray by aligning the notch on the corner of the card with the tray and then reinsert the tray. From a separate computer or device, go to spectrummobile.com/activate and sign in using the primary username on your Spectrum account. If prompted, complete any pending consent forms indicated at the top of the activation dashboard by clicking on the banner notification. Follow the on-screen prompts to submit the activation request. If you're transferring a number from a prior carrier, this is when you'll enter the prior carrier account details. Once you've submitted the activation request, wait for notification that activation is complete. This may take a few minutes. You'll know the step has been completed successfully when the Activation Complete screen appears. Power on your new device. Connect to Wi-Fi to complete your device setup and to restore or transfer content from your old device if necessary. Look for an email confirming that activation is complete. Finally, test to be sure your device activation has been successful by making a call, receiving a call, and by using cellular data. We hope you enjoy your Spectrum Mobile service. For additional information and device support, visit spectrummobile.com/welcome or call 877-504-7916.